Hey guys, welcome to another product showcase video. Today's item comes to us from Lamptron. This is their Hummer 5-port military switch BayBus. Okay, a little information on this. For one thing, this is a military switch BayBus. What this does is, it's a way to turn your 12-volt items on and off in your case. It's not typically a fan controller, but it could be used as a fan controller to simply turn fans on and off, not to adjust their speed. But basically you'd want to use this for turning on your lights, different regions of lights in your case, your cold cathodes, LEDs, any 12-volt device in your case itself. Comes in a nice package by Lamptron with the see-through window that you can see the device itself with the 5 switches. Some different looks at it. There's a fan attic ad on the one side of it, which is also a very nice device by theirs, as well as some information on it. Let's get to the specs on this. The dimensions on it are 5 1/4. It's designed to go into your optical bay drive. Max power is up to 100 watts per channel. So basically you could run just about anything in your computer off these with 100 watts. Colors available. This is a black anodized aluminum. It's also available with a plain aluminum finish if you want something that's silver looking to match your case. Acrylic colors available, come in green and blue. This happens to be the blue model. Features are CNC milled solid aluminum panel, controls up to 100 watts per channel, 5 independent on-off military switches, and acrylic window. So let's open up the box and have a look at what it comes with. Okay, inside the box we get the switch controller itself, a small baggie with 2 different types of screws. They have some black Phillips screws and also some of your hex head type screws, depending on how you want to mount it into your case if you're going for that industrial look. 5 12-volt Molex pass-throughs that you can connect to each one of your devices, your fan, your light, etc. As well as a full color product catalog by Lamptron that's going to show you a lot of the different items that they offer. They really have a full range of modding stuff for just about any type of case builder. But let's set this stuff aside and have a closer look at the BayBus itself. Okay, here's a closer look at it. It actually has quite a bit of weight to it. There's a lot of metal in it. The switches themselves are quite heavy. They are a military class switch, which for a lot of people that may not know, the military class switches are very heavy duty. They would be basically the same switches that the military uses on their electronic devices, and they're in a situation where they can't afford to have things fail. They can't run to the hardware store and get another switch when they're out in the desert, so they use very high quality, very durable switches. This is the blue acrylic one. If you can see the blue glow through here, I'm not sure if the camera can pick that up. They're also available with that green acrylic that I told you about, depending on what color your case is and what color scheme you're going for. Each individual switch is mounted by itself. It's going to be wired individually. Let me grab you one of these Molex pass-throughs. I'll basically show you how this works. All these are a way to break your 12-volt connection between your power supply and your unit itself, whether it's your fan or LED or cold cathode, what have you. So they look like a standard 12-volt Molex, and basically they just break the 12-volt connection. So you have 2 wires here. You basically connect one on each side of a fan switch, and what that's going to do is when you flip the switch, it's going to make that connection for you. So we got that plugged in right now. And now when we turn the switch on, the current will be able to go through the switch out to the 12 volt device that you're controlling with it. So when you want that fan or cathode or whatever off, you simply turn the switch off. It's a very nice, simple way to operate your lights or your fan or whatever type of 12 volt device you are going to control with it. And they do it in a very nice, neat way. This is something I made a while back to do something similar myself. As you can see, it's quite a nightmare of wiring, different ground wires, different connections for the 12 volt. This was quite a mess to make. It did eventually work, but it was a lot of work, and it's very messy inside the case. And compare that with a nice clean device like this. Very simple to put in, very simple to wire. They give you all the Molex pass-throughs that you need for it. A great solution for modders that don't want to spend all that time wiring up them switches and stuff like I had. But we're going to put this on the test bench and turn it on just to kind of see how it works, get a better look at it. So let me shut this down and hook it up to our test bench, and we'll have a look at it. Okay, and we have it set up on our test bench right now, and we're just connecting a simple fan to it to give you an idea how it works, how you plug it in. Basically, one end of the Molex will just go into your power supply connector, your Molex connector on the power supply, and the other one will go out to whatever device you're running. And in this case, it's a Thermaltake fan, could be cathodes, what have you. Right now we have the fan in the off position. If we flip the switch, you can see it turns the fan on now. It's going to run the fan. So it's just a very easy way to add options to your computer to run different regions of lights in your case, maybe different fans that you might only want on for overclocking or extreme gaming or something, where you want to have the ability to shut them off when you're just reading email and stuff. A great option, many different uses for it. Very handy, very simple, no soldering, no wire connections needed. Everything is basically plug right in. Anybody could install one of these. And I think it's a great item to add more flexibility to a case, no matter what type of gadgets you plan on installing, with the 100 watts per channel, because each switch is a separate connection through the Molex that you could control just about any 12 volt gadget you could think of in your case with it. But that's going to do it for this product showcase. We want to thank Lamptron for providing this for our showcase, and I want to thank you for watching.